Here we are at the trailer. Got the usual suspects. Adam Poltera, Willie Sean Wilson.
Big Willie.
The self-proclaimed black sheep. This is day 2 of attacking waste. My main man, Adam Poltera, what are you going to do today?
Well, Scott's a little disorganized with the screws here.
How so? Let's look at it. Show me.
All right.
Show me.
Well,
because you're right. I got an awful lot of fasteners.
He's got lots of screws. And he's got them in these little cardboard boxes. It makes it difficult for me to take them in the house without spilling them everywhere.
That's just one drawer, dude.
Yeah, you know, we got another one here. So
there's a bunch more.
There's a bunch more.
Yeah, what else? You got more?
So
what about that drawer?
Yeah.
Look at that one.
Everywhere.
Yikes. That one too.
I've got all these old screw boxes, and I'm just taking the labels off, and I'm going to go ahead and put all these screws here inside these boxes. That way it keeps them organized and keeps them from getting lost and
easier to handle.
Filling out on the driveway.
Area. So.
Oh, you're gonna tune the toolbox up?
Well,
great.
Yeah. I think we should get some organizers for like the sockets and stuff.
Yikes.
But yeah, I
think accumulation's the right word.
Scott, what is this?
It's a specialty tool. I can't remember what in the world it did, but I had to get it at some point.
I'm not going to install any trim with that. I don't know what that is.
It's just a bushing.
Yeah, it's
just random stuff that ends up getting thrown in there.
Yeah, that stuff we need. That's pretty cool, but I don't know if we need it.
You don't think we need a torque wrench to install baseboard and crown?
I don't know. I think not. I think we can probably get rid of that. And, you know, just probably don't need that.
Cool. All right.
Scott. Really? What
yeah, well, it looks like that screwdriver got used for a pry bar.
Okay, well, we have enough pry bars, I think.
Cool.
So that's basically what I'm going to do. I'm just going to clean this whole thing out and get it, make it easier to find stuff.
Awesome. So. All right, Adam, how'd you do? What'd you do?
Did pretty good. Came up short on some boxes, but got a little bit of it organized.
You made some progress on something?
Made some progress. Got, you know, some screws and some nice boxes here. Looks a little cleaner. They're not going to spill out, go all over in the drawer.
Nice.
And, yeah, a little nicer now.
Mostly just stuff that we use all the time, those kinds of fasteners.
Obviously, I still need to get some more for these ones, but all in good time. Nice.
How Sean did on his toolbox. How'd you do, buddy?
It's much more organized. There's just less stuff in there, so you can see what we have now.
See what you have and get in there and get what you need.
Yeah, this is all the pliers and crescent wrenches and channel locks. And this is all the wrenches. I'd like to get some kind of organizer for these so that it's easy to find the right size that you want.
That's a great idea.
Those two. Sockets, yeah, those we need an organizer for those.
Sockets and ratchets.
But yeah, basically I just got rid of a bunch of stuff we don't need, so it's just a little easier to find stuff. And also for the record, the dry erase board was my idea. Just for the record.
I think you're right, man. Good job.
Thank you.
Looks nice.